there are still some very good infrastructure stocks which are almost corrected about 20 to 30% and ready, standing on a support. If you ask me the hidden gems in the infrastructure, beyond the Nifty Infrastructure Index, there are many stocks that I have discussed. What I have done, I have picked up the stocks which have corrected recently. Like, in spite of Nifty Infrastructure movement, I still found some stocks are really consolidating for quite good time. Towards the end of this video, once I discuss all the factors, I will be giving those names which look ready to move in the upward direction. All of it is going to help these companies grow faster and have more profitability.
Stock trading involves inherent risks. You are solely responsible for your investment decisions and any resulting outcomes, including financial loss. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. The information presented reflects expert views and should not be considered a recommendation to buy or sell any security. References to specific stocks or mutual funds are for illustrative purposes only. Investing carries risk. Always consult a professional financial advisor before making investment decisions.
Hi viewers, welcome back. और इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर सेक्टर की। मेरा ऐसा मानना है कि आने वाले बजट में हो सकता है कि बहुत अच्छा एलोकेशन हो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर बजट के लिए, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर सेक्टर के लिए, और उसके चलते बहुत मूवमेंट आता हुआ दिखाई दे सकता है। तो मैं आपके कुछ क्वेश्चंस जो हमें मिले हैं उनके ऊपर मैं आंसर करूंगी। So what I want to answer here, the government's focus on infrastructure is pivotal for India's industrial growth, aiming to attract investment with enhanced logistics and efficiency. In any case, whenever the industrial growth has to take place, the logistics has to be really swift. And for that, infrastructure development matters a lot. Investors' confidence in infrastructure stocks is set to rise, backed by ongoing projects ensuring sustained sector growth. So what I understand, July 23rd, the infrastructure stocks rally amid anticipation of favorable announcement, but there are still some very good infrastructure stocks which are almost corrected about 20 to 30% and ready, standing on a support. So towards the end of this video, once I discuss all the factors, I will be giving those names which look ready to move in the upward direction. Market efficiency suggests that some expectation might already be priced in. Significant rally hinges on last-minute sentiment shifts and budget leaks. Suppose the announcements are really out of the world, then probably a bigger rally may come in. And if not, if a slight, mild announcement, then the stocks may correct a little bit. Profit booking may come into it. So we will be watching for increased infrastructure spending, tax incentives, and new projects launches in sectors like transportation and renewable energy. Diversifying investment into companies poised to benefit from eased regulations and funding support. So everything is possible. There could be more budget allocation, there could be eased terms and conditions, there could be tax benefits. All of it is going to help these companies grow faster and have more profitability. What I have done, I have picked up the stocks which have corrected recently. Like, in spite of Nifty Infrastructure movement, I still found some stocks are really consolidating for quite good time. So a few of them are going to be L&T, which are very huge order book already in place, then KNR Constructions, then PNC Infra. Then I'm going to keep Kalpataru on my radar because they are the ones which make heavy machineries. So if the infrastructure sector is going to grow, even the heavy machinery supplies will also grow. And I'm also going to keep on my radar NHPC, Genus Power and Infrastructure, PNC Infra and KNR Construction. So these are the stocks that are on my radar. Now these all have strong fundamentals and government support, make them prime picks amidst sector growth. So keep them on radar, and my bet is going to be on Kalpataru, my bet is going to be on PNC Infrastructure and Genus Power. So keep them on radar. So over the 5 to 10 years, expect transformative growth in connectivity, renewable energy and urban infrastructure, driven by government policies like NIP and Gati Shakti. So what I believe infrastructure sector from here has to almost double. Like this wherever the infrastructure nifty stands, it should at least double in next 5 to 10 years. So there are a lot of risks also involved. There could be delays, there could be some policies that come into play, there could be environmental hazards that may take place while developing the infrastructure. There could be a lot of things. So risks include regulatory delays, financial burdens and macroeconomic fluctuation impacting profitability. So it's not that everything is good in this structure, in this infrastructure sector. One need to be careful because there could be any policy which may hamper the growth in infrastructure sector. Now, if you ask me the hidden gems in the infrastructure, beyond the Nifty Infrastructure Index, there are many stocks that I have discussed. As I told you, my favorite will be PNC Infra, KNR Construction, Kalpataru and Genus Power. These are going to be my favorite as of now. They have strong execution, diversified portfolios and operational efficiency and keeps them apart and invite savvy investors. And in the last, green infrastructure push. So if you ask me, the stocks that I'll keep on radar will be Tata Power, Olectra Greentech, Adani Green Energy. These are all going to be on my radar, and as time will change, more and more stocks will come. I'll keep updating you on. So thank you all for listening me patiently and understanding the infrastructure sector and upcoming trend. Keep these sector on radar, and I really find some corrected stocks I keep on my radar which are looking right and bright at this point of time. So keep them on radar, and with budget I think they should have a good spark in them and we can expect some good growth in infrastructure sector. So see you in the next video, and thank you for watching and patiently listening to me.